Hello and welcome to World in 2 Minutes. Here are our top stories. Palestinian negotiators mulled over an Egyptian proposal to end the month-long Israel-Hamas war as the latest 72-hour ceasefire in the Gaza Strip was due to expire at midnight Wednesday. Since the truce went into effect Sunday, Israel has halted military operations in the coastal territory and Gaza militants have stopped firing rockets. The ceasefire was meant to give the two sides time to negotiate a more sustainable truce and a roadmap for the coastal territory. While the humanitarian crisis reaches critical stage in at least one major Ukrainian city, trucks apparently carrying some 2,000 tons of aid have lain idle at a military depot in Russia. Moscow insists it coordinated the dispatch of the goods, which range from baby food and canned meat to portable generators and sleeping bags, with the International Red Cross. But Ukraine says it's worried that the mission may be a cover for an invasion. Poland and Latvia have summoned the Russian ambassadors to protest threats by nationalist politician Vladimir Zhirinovsky, who last week said Poland and the Baltic states would be wiped out in the event of a war between Russia and the West. Such words raise fears in Poland and the Baltic states, which have bitter memories of being occupied by Russia. The United Nations announced its highest level of emergency for the humanitarian crisis in Iraq, where hundreds of thousands have been driven from their homes and tens of thousands have been trapped on a desert mountain. But after a U.S. Army Special Forces team was flown atop Sinjar Mountain to assess the situation Wednesday, Defense Secretary Chuck Hagel said that far fewer refugees were stranded and it was far less likely the U.S. would undertake a rescue mission. And that's all we have for you for this hour's edition of World in 2 Minutes. See you in 2 hours. Goodbye. Evet, bitirelim burada.